Discord as a program has a lot of permission controls over a lot of different aspects in the server. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can set permissions and roles in Discord. Making and managing roles in Discord is a very simple process. The first thing that you have to do is head over to your server's name, click there, and then click on server settings. In here you will see the roles option right in the second option in the list, and then you can see all of your existing roles. You can search for them, or you can click this button to create a new role. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now you can type in your role name. So this is a test role. Next up, you can select your role's color, so you can assign it a random color, select from this list, or you can go ahead and make your own custom color if that's what suits you better. You can go ahead and assign a custom role image, but this requires a level 2 nitro boost. Then there are several other options like display role members separately from online members, allow anyone to mention the role. Moving on, you have permissions, so you can enable or disable all of these permissions for a specific role. So if you're creating an admin role or you're creating a viewer role, you can control these settings from the permissions tab. Then there are links. So you can create a linked role, which basically means that as soon as a person on your server connects their account to a specific service or online website or things like that, they will get this role automatically assigned to them. And finally, you can add or remove members that may be in the role. So we will go back to display. Once everything is done, you can click this button to save your changes, or you can click this button to view your own server as this role, so you can test changes and figure out if you've done a mistake or if you need to add or remove permissions. And that's how easy it is to make roles on Discord. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if there are any other such pieces of content that we can make for you. Or if you have any thoughts to share on this video, drop a comment below and I'll be there talking to you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.